Hey guys, this morning I went for a trial maiden flight for my Cessna, and during the video I actually called my Cessna a Trojan. Anyway, it didn't get to fly today, so ground too wet and lack of power, very lack of power. So I've upped the battery size from an 1800 to a 3000 cell LiPo battery. Tomorrow it's going up, but here's what happened anyway. It's a good bit of a giggle. Enjoy. Catch you guys.
Because I mean, you're not going to take up 9 minutes.
Find the power cord. There she goes.
No sounds, mate. It's as big as you. That plane, Silky.
It's bigger than me. That's all good. You're alright.
How's it look on the ailerons? Flick the switch and hold it. Flick it. Okay, so start. What are you gonna do? Start on low. Alright.
Well, that's me Trojan, guys. Too wet here to take off. Due to the landing gear here, it's rubbing on the grass and I can't get the flyer. Not for a first maiden flight. So, epic fail. Catch you guys next time. Well guys, it's the next day. Been for my maiden flight. She flew really well. But I'm even going to up the size battery to my big 4-cell battery to give it more punch because it flew too slow and nice and gentle. Even flew with the flaps down, just passed me nice and gentle. But the landing, still here in one piece. Let me show you what I mean by the landing. Here's a close-up look. Oops. Fixable, flyable. Anyway, that was fun. Catch you guys again. Bye for now.